Good morning YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. Another lovely day here in East Lothian, Scotland. It's been 2 or 3 weeks without the bike, so couldn't waste a day like this. It's my day off today, Saturday, and as you can see, I'm out with my mate Andy, and he's just got himself a new, well, not brand new, but it's new to him. It's the NC750X. He's transferred from a CB500. So he had a sports bike before that. Oh, he's had quite a few bikes before that, but he went back to an adventure style bike. And the reason for that is that we are doing a Europe trip together this summer. And last night it actually became official because we booked the ferries, and it's going to be absolutely epic, and I can't wait. Still got a few months to go. We're going at the end of May, so I'm hoping that most of the mountain passes will be open. So 2 weeks riding in the Alps, absolutely amazing. What else is new? I've just renewed my insurance for the bike, and I'm going to have a wee rant here. I apologise. Nice, so get this. My last year's premium was 130 something. Now, this year, you think another year older, another year wiser, another year of no claims on my insurance, you'd think they would get a good deal from my insurer. And I'm just going to call my insurer Company A, because I'm not going to advertise them. Right, so the Company A gave me a price for last year. It was about £130, comprehensive insurance. I got a letter, invitation to renew, with a proposed premium of, get this, £150 odd. So I go on the comparison website, put all my details in, and I get the cheapest quote of, get this, £70 odd, about £74. And who is it from? Yep, you guessed it, Company A. So I go on the phone and I said, listen, I'm quite happy to stay with you guys, but something's not right. Yeah, and they will turn and left. Yeah, this is our turn. Yeah, so where was I? Yeah, I'm speaking to the guy about the insurance, about the quote, and he says, yeah, so what was the quote that you got online? And I said to him, you know, about £74, £75, which is half the price of what you quoted me in the letter. So he says, oh yeah, yeah, just give me a moment, I'll find your account and we'll put your details through the system and all that, and we'll see what we can do for you, see if we can beat that quote. And I'm thinking to myself, well, it's your own quote, how can you beat it? So I gave him all the details. He checks the computer and he says, yeah, we can do your insurance for £68. How is that even possible? Why is it allowed that the same company gives you a quote just pulled out from thin air? I know most people are clued up, so I'm not trying to teach anybody to suck eggs. However, there will be some people who will just, you know, find a cheapest quote online, buy the insurance, and then, you know, next year come renewal time, they'll get a letter from their insurance company thinking, yeah, they were cheapest last year, so surely they must be the cheapest for me this year as well. And these companies, these insurance companies, must be making absolute millions on people like that. And there's my point. I don't know why there's no a regulator in place, some sort of legislation to prevent things like that from happening, because people get screwed for money and it's not right. Right, end of the rant. Let's enjoy the views. Look at that. Right, so some of yous might have guessed already, we're on the A1107, but we're heading in the opposite direction. I did this route in my previous video, but I was heading from Coldingham back that way towards Edinburgh. But today we're actually going to St Abbs. We're going to stop there for some cake and bacon roll, or both, some coffee, and then we head to the nature reserve. Just look at that. Right, so we're just coming into Coldingham, or we are in Coldingham, and we are going to St Abbs, which is just to the left. Last time I came from this direction, we missed it. Right, time for a chin wag. You never been here before, no?
Yes, not.
I know this. Yeah. Right, taking the lead. Please tell me the cafe's open. I'm gasping for a cup of coffee. I think it is. Yes! Right, let's go and get some Coffe. On you go.
Thank you. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Hello. What are you having? Is there space?
Yeah, come up to your order if you want.
Cool. Yeah, lovely. Couldn't decide between bacon roll and a bit of cake, so we just went for hamburgers. Oh, that looks amazing. Hi, can we just pay for our stuff?
Yeah, you paying separately or all?
Just pay it together.
Like a receipt.
No, it's okay. Thank you.
Thanks very much.
Thank you, cheers guys.
Thank you.
Is it me or is it mine? Or is it just because I've warmed up a bit?
It's warmed up a little bit, I think.
That's lovely, eh?
That's amazing. I love this place.
Lovely place. I've been to Coldingham and bought a van there years ago.
Oh, did you?
A beautiful place.
Yeah, that's the Abbs for you. Absolutely beautiful. It's a nice little cafe there. Visit every time I'm up here. Thank you. Thanks very much. Cheers.